1 Minute English. In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some examples of using as. We use as with something to show its role or purpose. For example, we can use a smartphone as a phone, a camera, or a small computer. As is also used with people and jobs. For example, he works as a teacher. She works as a doctor. As can also be used to connect a result with a cause, similar to because. For example, I'm really tired as I couldn't sleep last night. I gained weight as I ate too much. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.